is Madison, and today I'm going to be showing you my slime. So here's my first slime. It's my favorite slime. Subscribe and like this video. Next slime. They're all white. I don't know why, but they're just white.
Hi, my name's Jenna. Go follow my YouTube channel. It's Jenna Way. And I have 2 French minds. You go follow it.
Okay.